Welcome back to Business Help. In this episode, we're going to be going over the concat function, which is very helpful in joining things together, especially like emails here we've got different departments. We're trying to make it new company-wide email addresses, and we don't want to manually type out John Doe at businesshelp.com or Jane Doe at businesshelp.com. We're going to let Excel do it ourselves. So we are going to go over, there's first two ways to find the concat function. You want to be going to the formulas tab. You can go to text and it's going to be concat function right there. Or you can go to insert function and type concat and hit go and use it. So I'm going to use that. So to use the concat function, you want to put your first cell you want to join together. So we're going to use A1. And then for the next text, we're going to use B1. Now, we really don't care about the finance accounting department. We don't care what department they are at the time right now. So we're going to try and insert an at symbol. Now, to make it relative here, we're going to use our quotation marks. We're going to put a quotation mark first. Then we're going to put our at symbol. Then we're going to put another quotation mark at the end. And that will give us our at symbol in the middle. And now we're going to click on businesshelp.com. So this is going to create John Doe at businesshelp.com. So we're going to click OK. Now you could use the same function for every single one of these, or you can just simply slide it down. And now we got Jane Doe at businesshelp.com, John Smith at businesshelp.com. You can apply this to many different people. You can just keep going down the list. This will save you much time. As you can see, it only took me one person to enter in there instead of three. So it saves much time and helps a lot. So if there's any questions, just put them in the comments section, and hope you like the video and hope it's helpful. So if it is, hit the like button as well as subscribe, and check out my other videos as well.